Okay, so in example 1, we want to find the missing angle measure of theta. And you're given a right triangle where you have your opposite side of your theta that's labeled as 3, your hypotenuse of the right triangle, which is labeled as 7, and we want to figure out what our angle measure is. So we're going to use our inverse trig functions to help us find this. Since opposite and hypotenuse are the two side lengths that we have, we know that we're going to be using our sine or inverse sine to help find this missing angle. So since sine of theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, since 3 is our opposite leg and 7 is our hypotenuse, we're going to use this proportion to solve for our missing angle. So in example 1, they want our answers to be both in radians and in degrees. So depending on what mode you're in, you're going to get a different answer for both of these. So the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that in our calculator that we have our mode that is set on the correct degree or radian that we're trying to find. So in this case, the first one is in radian form. So we're going to make sure that our mode is in radians. And we're going to hit second sine, so we have sine to the -1 of 3 over 7, which is our proportion of that right triangle. And if we hit enter, we get 0.44 if we round it to the nearest hundredths. So 0.44 radians is going to be that angle measure. And if we change our mode back over to degrees, second sine of 3 over 7 again gives our answer in degrees, which would be 25.38 degrees for that angle.